life, she could have buy the phone a million blood clot times she can't call it. May I show you how I know? No shit, the woman evil. You listen to me? You listen to me? May I show you how I know the woman evil? Maybe I tell her, but I never tell her this. That's why I'm turning and I tell her now. One time she come here, you know. One time she come here, you know. And bring some clothes for me. And some Ray. Me no remember what happened, who I go down. You know, say I take the woman, what the woman want war me for take the phone for me. For use knife and stab the phone. And me say that woman is mad and the man say you give her no fair money. And me say I eat that how the fuck me figure her. And me tell her say I want her and she fly down and can't come give me figure her. So me not give her, you know the man do? Take the clothes them. And put them in a one bag. And put and carry them. You see the Airbnb them have a shoot it name. You see the garbage something a shoot it name and can't go dashing and shoot, you know. Myself from this summer mark says she wicked. I'ma say around 2 3 somebody me tell she wicked already. Cause I don't normally chat about her, you know. Around 2 3 somebody me tell she wicked already. And that she do. That she do and like more tell what. Alright. Big up to the people, the much style. Story time. I don't know what time yet me gonna start. But the story how I meet Miss Blinga and what happened during the whole process. You see me? So if you're not too busy, just jump on the live, brother. Alright. Big up to the people, the much style. Story time. I don't know what time yet me gonna start. But the story how I meet Miss Blinga and what happened during the whole process. You see me? So if you're not too busy, just jump on the live, brother. Because I know say a whole heap of people I wonder if where me and her have did real or something because of. You see me? So yeah. Remember we have a receipt and everything. We have a receipt, stamp, sign, everything.
Oh, you do this, dog. This is not your style, bro. Me don't know you then the way the dog. Better me and you that this each other, bro. And then we chat back, dog. But remember, bro. It's the same like how them and say Shana have secrets for me. Because me nah dish Shana. Because me nah come and talk certain things and say this and that and way, bro. Them and say Shana have secrets for me, dog. Which is nothing no go so, bro. Because remember, you know. Me ain't known, but Shana can give me another more strength, bro. But me now go this side, dog. You see me, dog? You have your name and Blinga come build up your thing more, dog. Not do that, bro. Better you send her a voice note and this side on a voice note, dog. When I come make them people have not over a woman, dog. And I can talk about a woman pum ugly and them thing, the dog. Because Blinga a good woman in her, bro, dog. The habit says she mix up, she don't mix up, bro. I think that she sit, she talk, dog. You hear me, dog? Remember said the woman try come for you, dog. Nobody watch it, they talk about buck to this, buck to that, dog. Because no woman and no our woman, dog. And that's our time, bro, dog. You see me, dog? Remember say she help you out in any way, dog. And you did wait her because, watch her. You know, go just put a woman name for you, so dog, and you still not rub it out, dog. You rate the woman, dog.
I show me now the money for rub it out with it. I swear.
You watch her, no rub you out, dog. No rub you out, dog. See me, but bro, no, me and Shana left for me. Go me rub it, no rub you out, bro. No man, no rub you out, dog. As I'm no rub you out, bro. But that make people influencer. And I say, oh, tell me this or tell me that more about her. Fuck with them I do, dog. Because they want things to bring down your bumbo clap woman, dog. And woman a good woman, dog. The woman a good woman, same like me and Rosalie and a friend, and I can say Rosalie a good woman, dog. Woman a good woman, dog. Talk to them thing, the bro, man, you, dog. Cause they know, bro, they know with you, dog. Them is not with your police. Them not with you, bro. Me I tell you, dog. Cause them a switch pan you and say, you're this, you're that, you're that, you're that, and you're that, bro. And I then see them when I say, yeah, and them thing, the bro. They know with you, bro.